So I've been yo-yoing for about 1.5 years now. I've practiced constantly and I've gotten up to a skill level that I never would have dreamed I would have gotten to. And along the way, I have picked up some really good and stylish yo-yos from all different companies. But there was one company that I wanted to check out for such a long time that has such a high reputation that it's almost impossible to resist. The one thing that was holding me back from this company was the price. Their company is not budget friendly, but their yo-yos are some of the best in the world. By now, even if the title didn't say what it does, I'm sure you would know what company I'm talking about. That company is CLYW, Clearview Yo-Yo Works. I've wanted a CLYW yo-yo ever since the beginning, ever since I found out about them, which was about 2 months after I started yo-yoing. And if you keep up to date with Yo-Yo Expert, you'll know that they came out with either the second or the third run of the CLYW Bonfire. It's an upscale version of the short-lived Campfire, which is basically a pocket throw that CLYW came out with a while back. I just felt like, you know what, I have some money to spend, I've waited long enough, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one before they run out. Because CLYW yo-yos, they go out of stock in at most a week. I wanted to get the confetti finish, but that literally went out in like a minute. Same thing with the Ninja Hurdles. So instead, I got the Clearview Station Blizzard. They just now ran out, and I ordered mine on Saturday. I just got it in the mail today, and today is Wednesday, so pretty good timing. And this is it. As you can see, Bonfire stamp, Clearview Station Blizzard, that's the finish. This is like the 2014 stamp. I've already used this, so I'm just showing you what it comes in. So, of course, it has CLYW's wrapping. Kind of looks like snakeskin almost. I don't know what this is. It's like paper or something. I don't know. I like it. It's cool. So, this is it. This is the CLYW Bonfire Clearview Station Blizzard. Okay, so I guess I'll start with the bearing and response pad. So let me unscrew this. It's got a very tight fit. This is a fairly long axle compared to a lot of other yo-yos I've gotten. On Yo-Yo Expert, it said that the bearing it comes with is a center track 10-ball X bearing. Well, apparently they lied. We just came with a crappy size C bearing, so I'm going to email them later and see if they messed it up and see if I can't get it. But for now, I put a Diffio concave in it, and this is one of my favorite bearings. Spins forever. The response is CLYW's snow tire response. It's a little bit wider than some other responses I've seen. The wall of the yo-yo is very low. This is what a high wall yo-yo should look like. See where the cutoff is way away from the spacers, so you can tell the difference. Low wall, high wall. Low walls are better for competition and speed, while high walls are better for just like slow and chilled out tricks. But this is a very good competition yo-yo. Screw this back together. Kind of has a little bit of a stiffness before it locks up. And this has little grooves right here, right there, and there. I'm assuming this enhances the grinding abilities. This is a very striking V shape. It's a very wide yo-yo. I'll give you the specs in just a minute. It's a little bit smaller in diameter compared to my benchmark, but this is a full-sized throw. It's got these little spike things on the inside. You can't really spin it in your hand like you can with one-drop side effects, but they're just there. They're for the axle. I'm pretty sure the axle extends out into this portion. It says made in Canada. CLYW's workshop is up in Canada. The anodization is just incredible. Clearview Station Blizzard. It's a blue background with yellow splash and white speckle. It's incredible. Let me get you the specs. I know some people really dig the specifications. I'm actually starting to pay attention more to specifications because it helps you understand what you're getting and what to compare it to and stuff. So the diameter is 5.10 millimeters, which is 2.17 inches. The width is 45.25 millimeters, which is 1.78 inches. The gap width is 4.15 millimeters, which is 0.16 inches. The weight is 65.9 grams, so this is a pretty light yo-yo. This is the lightest competition throw I have. The bearing it was supposed to come with was a size C CBC Center Track X bearing, which obviously didn't happen. It came with a crappy C bearing. And the response, as I said earlier, is CLYW snow tires. Playability on this thing is drop dead amazing. I'm not kidding, this thing's insanely good. Like, if you buy CLYW, you know it's gonna be just absolutely mind-blowingly amazing. String I'm using is Yo-Yo String Lab Type X. I picked up an order of that because I wanted to try that out too. So yeah, this is the frontal view. Give you a 360 of the entire thing. So the other side's a little bit different because of the color differences, but that's cool. So yeah, view from the front. The color difference isn't as dramatic as it is on the benchmark. As you can see, this is a very smooth yo-yo. The vibe is almost non-existent. This thing will spin for about, 9 to 8 minutes, maybe even longer with a better bearing. Yeah, I'll show you a few demonstrations. When you do thumb grinds, you have to tilt it just a little bit to get it on, but that's no big problem. I'm going to chuck this as hard as I can and see how long I can grind it for. Yeah, that's a long grind. This is also perfectly suitable for horizontal finger grinds and horizontal palm grinds, but my hands are sweaty right now, so it doesn't work very well right now. It's very smooth on the string, so when you're doing elongated gliding techniques, it won't grab. And of course, whips are superior, and so are slacks. This is a fantastic yo-yo. I absolutely love it. It was rather expensive. This costed $145 on Yo-Yo Expert. They go all the way from $120, which would be the pitch black finish, all the way up to $140. I mean, if you have the money and you're good enough, I'd suggest you get one because you will not regret it. I mean, it's an amazing yo-yo. Knew it! So just in case any of you are interested, along with the yo-yo, I also got Yo-Yo String Lab Type X. I also got a bunch of playing cards, 3 packs. So I got 2 Yuji Kelly. I got 1 Alexis Jancorda Vadnais. I don't know how to pronounce his name. He has tutorials on YouTube. I actually learned White Knight from him, so thanks, man, if you're watching. Kentaro Kimura from Turning Point. Zach Robino from Chico Yo-Yo Company, Mark Allen from Word, Rafael Matsunaga from Duncan, very funny guy, Polly from Caribou Lodge, this guy's awesome, and of course Harold Owens III from Yo-Yo Factory, everyone knows about him. Hope you enjoyed the review. Have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll answer you. So yeah, that's it. Caribou Lodge Yo-Yo Works, Bonfire, Clearview, Station Blizzard.